This video is intended only for troubleshooting situations where the machine fails to start and the main power switch does not light up. The power outlet should be checked first. You can simply use a phone charger to confirm whether it is able to charge your phone. Next, check the fuse on the plug. Loosen the screw marked by the red circle and remove the cover to access the fuse. Use a multimeter to test its continuity. If it reads open circuit, the fuse needs to be replaced. If the issue is still not resolved, you need to check whether the wiring is securely connected. Follow the main power cord to locate its connector and make sure the connector is firmly plugged in. Finally, check that all the cables connected to the switch are securely plugged in.